Have you ever seen this beautiful star-shaped spice and wondered what it can do for your health? This is star anise, a fragrant, flavorful spice used for centuries in natural medicine and cooking. Today, I'll be sharing the powerful benefits of star anise, how to use it safely, and simple ways to add it to your daily routine. Let's dive in. Star anise is packed with antioxidants, especially a compound called anethol. Antioxidants help boost your body fight against everyday toxins, environmental stress, premature aging. When you drink a cup of star anise tea, you're not just enjoying a soothing drink, you're supporting your body's natural defense system. It helps your cells stay strong and healthy. In many cultures, star anise is used as a natural digestive aid. It can help reduce bloating, ease gas, support smooth digestion, calm mild stomach discomfort. If you often feel heavy after meals or struggle with indigestion, a cup of star anise tea can bring gentle relief. It relaxes the digestive tract, making it easier for your body to break down food. Star anise contains compounds that help to clear your respiratory system. It helps in easing coughs, supporting the lungs, soothing sore throat, and helping in congestion. During cold seasons, many people use star anise to prepare a herbal steam or herbal tea. Its warming aroma opens up the airways and helps you breathe a little bit easier. Star anise contains shikimic acid, a compound also used in antiviral medication manufacturing. It is known to help fight harmful bacteria, support immune system strength, reduce the growth of certain fungi. Using star anise regularly, whether in teas, soups, sauces, or spice blends, can support your body when it needs that little extra protection. Star anise has a mild estrogen-like effect, and it has traditionally been used to support women's hormonal balance, menstrual comfort, lactation in breastfeeding moms. Because it has natural plant compounds that resemble estrogen, star anise may help ease mild symptoms related to hormonal imbalance, but remember, always use it in moderation. The calming aroma of star anise makes it great for relaxation. It can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and promote sense of calm. A warm cup of star anise tea before bed can be grounding and soothing. If you struggle with racing thoughts at night, this gentle spice can help you unwind. You can enjoy star anise in herbal teas, soups, broth, curries, spiced drinks, or even baking. Use one whole star anise for tea, but avoid overconsumption. Too much can cause discomfort, and it's not recommended in very young children. Star anise is more than just a beautiful spice. It's a natural powerhouse. Whether you're using it to support digestion, boost immunity, or simply to enjoy its calming effect, this star-shaped herb is wonderful in your wellness routine. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutritional tips. Thank you for watching.